Now the next group of theories, they're called as non-osmotic theories. This theory, it was put forward by Themin and Kramer in 1959. According to this theory, water absorption is an active process and it occurs due to the non-osmotic reason against the gradient of osmotic pressure. According to this theory, the absorption of water, it takes place on the cost of energy. As initially I told that these are the active water absorption theories. Active means there is the involvement of metabolic energy. So this non-osmotic theory considers the involvement of energy for water absorption. So this theory has more merit compared to osmotic theory. And then again question arises, from where this energy comes? They also consider this non-osmotic theory proposers that the energy which is required for water absorption, it comes from the respiration. That is, by oxidation of food material, the energy in the form of ATP or NADPH2 which is released, that energy is utilized for the absorption of water. So this theory has more meritorious, more advantage over the earlier theory of osmotic theory. So what are the merits of this non-osmotic theory? First, the plants wilt in flooded soil. When the plant is growing in the flooded soil or waterlogged soils, the plant wilts or it dries. Why it dies or dries? Because of anaerobic condition. Because due to the flooded or waterlogged condition, the roots or root hair cells do not get air or oxygen for respiration, and due to absence of respiration, no energy is released, and so the plant will not get the energy and the plant dies or wilts. Second merit is it indicates that water absorption takes place by living cell only under the aerobic condition. So this is also very important. Water absorption takes place on the cost of energy as earlier it is considered, and as it is energy is involved, so there is involvement of living cell, because only living cells are physiologically or metabolically active, so there is a circulation of energy. So it is having its merit. Then it is also another merit of this theory, that this theory considers that when the respiratory inhibitors are applied to the plant, for example potassium cyanide, when it is applied to the plant, it inhibits the rate of respiration or it stops the respiration. And it is observed that when the rate of respiration is stopped because of respiratory inhibitors, the rate of water absorption was also stopped. So there is correlation. Where respiratory inhibitors inhibits the respiration, automatically it also affect the rate of water absorption, means it also inhibit the water absorption. Those, and that was it's practically observed in plants, so it has its merit. Then third merit is diurnal fluctuation in transpiration rate reflects water absorption. Means when there is a increase or decrease in rate of transpiration, it is observed that at the same time there is an increase and decrease in absorption of water absorption rate. Means transpiration and water absorption, they are correlated with each other. The diurnal fluctuation or during daytime and night time, when the rate of transpiration differs, similarly rate of water absorption was also observed to be different. So these are the important three merits which explains the importance of non-osmotic theory. This theory also have one demerit. And what is that demerit? That as this theory considered the role of energy involved for water absorption, but this non-osmotic theory do not explain how that energy is utilized in the water absorption phenomena. That is not explained by theory. So this theory has this one demerit.